Hey, welcome to my channel, The Gourmet Home Guide. In this video, we try to help you find out the best blenders under $100 on the market. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. KitchenAid K150. Our pick for the best overall blender is the KitchenAid K150. Not only is it very well built, but it also comes with a large capacity of 48 ounces. It is very versatile and can support hot blending as well. Blending ingredients into soups and sauces is very easy with this machine. There is a powerful 671-watt motor powering this blender. Along with unique asymmetric blades, you can blend at 4 different angles. Moreover, you also get a speed dial and pulse/ice mode, useful for making bar-quality crushed ice. Furthermore, the soft start feature starts at the right speed so that the ingredients are slowly pulled into the blade. Then, the speed is increased to avoid splatter. Number 2. Ninja BN401 Nutri Pro with Auto IQ. One of the best personal and powerful blenders is the Ninja Nutri Pro with Auto IQ. With this model, Ninja provides a sturdy and durable blender that works well while making single-serve drinks. As you might have guessed from the name, extracting maximum nutrients from the produce is a strong suit for this blender. You can blend in one of the 2 single-serve cups, which have a capacity of 24 ounces. The powerful 1100-watt motor coupled with the Pro extractor blades easily crush ice and break down fruits and veggies. Moreover, you also get the Auto IQ programs that provide one-touch intelligence and remove any guessing work you may have to do while blending. Also, creating dips like hummus and dressings is effortlessly easy with this blender. Apart from the 2 single-serve cups, you get 2 spout lids and the Pro extractor blade assembly. Ninja also provides an inspiration guide that contains 20 recipes. Cleaning the blender is very easy as all the components are dishwasher safe. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 58148A. A tight budget often restricts us from buying products that offer good functionality. However, this is not the case with the Hamilton Beach 58148A. With this blender, you get a light, powerful blender with a lot of functionality. The best part is that it is one of the cheapest products on the list. You can get this blender in 2 configurations, one with 12 functions and the other with 6 functions. The 6 functions model comes with a 20 ounces travel container. For this review, we consider the 12 functions model. The blender features a 700-watt motor, which is capable of smoothly blending up to 40 ounces of the mixture. Moreover, you also get the wave action system, which helps deliver smoother mixtures every time. You can easily switch between the 12 functions with the help of 5 simple buttons. The ice saber blades, lid, and jar are dishwasher safe and very easy to clean. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 58181 Blender. The Hamilton Beach 58181 blender is the perfect choice for customers looking for the versatility of a large blender with the flexibility to blend and run. This model is available in 2 options, a 6-function and a 12-function model. For this review, we consider the 6-function model. With the 6-speed function model, you get 2 jars, a 40 ounces glass jar and a 20 ounces travel jar. An 800-watt motor is used to power this blender. Along with the help of stainless steel blades, the blender can crush even the heaviest of ingredients. Moreover, the 6 blending functions and the intuitive controls make this device a joy to use. The machine comes with a unique spout that pours without any messy drips. Furthermore, the design of the blender reduces the noise from the motor. Finally, cleaning is very easy as all the components are dishwasher safe. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Crush Master 10-Speed Blender. If a premium glass jar is what you are looking for, you should take a look at the BLACK+DECKER Crush Master 10-Speed Blender. This prestigious brand includes a 40 ounces glass jar, which is ideal for people looking for a large capacity blender. A powerful 550-watt motor powers this blender, coupled with the 4-point stainless steel blade. The blender can cut through ingredients easily. Also, you get the option of using 10 different speeds that come with the pulse function. These multiple levels improve the efficiency and blending power. The perfect pour spout eliminates drips and spills. So not only do you not create a mess, but cleaning the machine is also very easy. All the components are dishwasher safe and can also be rinsed with soap and water. The best part is that the blender is very affordable, despite providing very premium glass jars. Number 6. Magic Bullet Blender. A subsidiary of NutriBullet, Magic Bullet focuses on manufacturing affordable products for the masses. This trait is seen with the Magic Bullet Blender. Despite the small size, the blender comes with a powerful 250-watt motor that can easily blend smoothies, juices, shakes, and a lot more. The motor also features a high torque base, which is very easy to use. All you need to do is load the ingredients into the cup, twist the blade, line the tabs, and place it on the power base. In one go, you can blend up to 22 ounces of produce. Cleanup is also very easy with this device. All you need to do is lightly rinse the cup in soap and water. Moreover, the components are dishwasher safe. With the blender, you also get a broom blade assembly, a tall cup, a short cup, a party mug, and lip rings. Moreover, you also get resealable lids, a to-go lid, and a recipe book. Number 7. Oster Blender Pro 1200. The Oster Blender Pro 1200 is an excellent addition if you look for a smart addition to your kitchen. It comes with a food processor attachment, which works very well for blending and food processing. A powerful 1200-watt motor is used to power this heavy blender. Along with the stainless steel dual direction blade assembly, the blender can blend with ease. The blade system is 50% larger than previous models and can blend in forward and reverse directions. Moreover, Oster has also included the pulse feature for better control and precision. You can easily switch between the 7 smart settings for some of the most common blender creations. With the packaging, you get the extra large 24 ounces smoothie cup. You also get a 5-cup food processing bowl and a 6-cup glass pitcher. Number 8. NutriBullet Immersion Blender. Rounding up our list is an immersion blender from NutriBullet. This handheld blender comes with a 350-watt motor and stainless steel blending arm. In fact, the blade is very useful for blending batters, dressings, dips, and hot soups. The button control variable speed dial is the standout feature of this blender. With the help of this dial, you can easily switch between the high speed, low speed, and every speed in between. These features provide the ultimate texture control. If you want fluffy whipped cream, you can attach the included whisk attachment. You also get a recipe guide included in the packaging. This NutriBullet is very durable and comes with a plastic motor body. Moreover, the soft hand grip ensures that you don't get tired while using it. After you finish using the machine, you can easily clean it in warm, soapy water.